No way.
Yeah, so he went home early. We went for 2 weeks. He went for 1 week. We went for 2.
Damn.
Yeah.
And obviously you guys probably went on the second week.
Yeah, we did. Yeah.
Yeah,
The first week was just like the Disney stuff, and then the second week was like when the hurricane came.
How was Disney World? What?
Yeah, I swear I enjoy that. That stuff's fun. We got the fast pass too, so might as well just zipping. I went to like 4 different parks, so enough,
Yeah.
things. So we were just zipping through. Shit was nice fun. That's why I said Cali would be nice to go to in the future, cause the Universal, that shit's dope.
Yo, I'm saying that to India, just stop.
Yeah.
Just
What are you saying? That we gonna check it out, or are we just gonna say bone it?
Yeah. I just wanna let it charge it some more. Yo, the thing is, this is the newest charger, so I don't think. Let me double check.
Bro, it's like 5:15. Are we doing this, or are we boning it?
Just close your eyes. I say close your eyes, lock the door, but this door can't be locked. Pretty reads. Whoever thought of it. Why? You should get some LV kicks though.
Nah.
Nah?
Would like some kicks, a new pair.
I want some LV kicks.
Nah, bought LV kicks.
They're hard. It's like one of those I'm like, bruh. You're not gonna go OCMC man with this.
Want some like B-22s, some Landmans, some Travis Dunks.
You look sick in Landbins.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You actually think so?
Yeah.
Nah, it's got Calvin.
No, I'm serious.
It's got Calvin.
Bro never heard that from my mouth.
No one looks sick in Landmans.
Yeah, you look like fucking boss man.
Oh yeah, wait.
Okay.
30, yo. Go explore, bro.
Yo, these stairs are a cry though.
Yeah, this way, yeah?
Yeah. Oh, I swear the plaza was down here. I swear I thought these lights. What is this lights?
Oh, that's like just someone's crib still, but we could still go on this. Yeah?
It's not even too cold either. It's nice out. Oh, yo.
You're like, I'm like, yo, that thing's great, yo.
Men's are really in Montreal though. First side mission. Okay, take it easy, fam. Yeah, Mensley got our spot in Montreal, and now we're checking out the area, checking out the scenery, seeing what's around us, yo. If we're gonna be here for the entire weekend, we gotta know what we're gonna be doing. Haven't found nothing so far though. downtown Montreal at 3, not even 3 a.m., 6 a.m.
It's 5:50 right now, but yeah, almost 6 though.
Now where? Where's your walk, down here or where?
Yeah, let's do it.
Oh, cry.
And we can do some like shopping and there's some good malls around.
Mmm.
You know, Saturday. So definitely be active for sure. Definitely be outside.
Okay, what's inside?
See the, now you need a code to get in. I was like, yo, what's smelling like keys?
No driveway. And it's cold.
Maybe it's not in the right area.
Maybe.
Yeah, we'll still have more to explore.
Maybe we'll have to do some more exploring tomorrow.
Oh, maybe we will, for sure.
Oh no.
This morning, yeah, Saturday. What do you prefer? What day you prefer? Saturday or Friday?
Saturday.
Yeah, I'm a Saturday guy too, so there you go.
This is a nice angle. Post for a thumbnail right here. And there you go. Hi, Saturday.
Yeah, you too.
Hi. I should do this. I do this. I go this. Get with the houses. Hey. Oh, bro's crying, fam. Like, men's are just out here in the cold and bro, ooh. Yeah, we gotta make tomorrow lit.
Yeah, bro, we have to.
Wake up early. My man's got dusted. Yeah, because I def know it's late, early in the morning, fam. Men's have not even slept yet.
Yeah. I'm not even tired too.
Neither
bro.
am I.
It's good to get some sleep.
What's this car going so slow, though?
Yeah, for work.
Man, we made it back. Our Airbnb for the weekend, fam. Let me know if the outside nightlife and or early morning nightlife, yeah, you could even say, in Montreal is lit. Let's go back up. Kick off my slides. Alright, bro.